Hi.
Hi.
Hi, people.
Hello. Sorry, I had to wait for my mic to unmute. So, hello. Welcome to my rainy Saturday afternoon stream where I get to fix somebody else's mess up and hopefully see if the computer works.
Yay!
Yay. So, welcome everyone. We have joining me so far, we have Joe of jcm-1.com. There you go. Adam McGee of Adam McGee.
Hi.
And Retro Techie of wanting to get to 750 subs.
Do it! Make the subs occur.
Right? Just make them appear. Just go create like 50 different dummy accounts.
If I click subscribe 250 times, will that work?
Unfortunately not.
Oh.
We can't hear you.
Who?
Retro Techie, he's talking, but I can see his lips moving, but yeah.
Better?
There you go.
No, it's better the other way.
Very
So
nice.
who do we have left in the chat? I don't know, because so we have 1-Bit Fever Dreams, Eric's Edge, who's only on until 2 because of family obligations, no worries. Sleepy Malibu, who's already dropped out. Hi and bye. Dave's Vintage Apple Tech, who, if you're still here, Dave, feel free to join. Rudy was here, but can't stay long because he has to work in a bit. And that's it. So,
Rudy.
Rudy, so I picked up, I'm going to do this by hand. I picked up.
You picked up
I'm nauseous. Stop it.
some person.
This gaming tower.
Uh-huh.
It's with the sticker on the front.
It says Solo Stove. I don't know.
What does that mean?
Oh, isn't that
don't know.
that it's that company that makes like these portable fires or whatever.
Oh, is
Pretty
it?
sure.
I don't know. Because
You
there's
should
also
put
one
a-
on the side as well.
You should put a Joe's Computer Museum sticker there instead.
Do it.
Well, they're all going to come off. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, I bought this for a customer. Hi. You can all be nauseous with me. There we go. Yeah, so I bought it for a customer. So I'm going to, first of all, fix the heatsink.
Power supply?
Yes, the power supply. Because they put it on sideways, like it needs to be turned 90 degrees. And no.
Oh my god, it actually focused on that.
And no, it's not a Mac. Okay, Dave, doing things around the house. Okay. I'll remember that tomorrow during your live stream when you're like, Trina, you should join. No, doing things around the house.
Look at that Naboo. That's awesome. Yes.
Oh, is that what you sent me the picture of?
Huh?
Is that what you sent me the picture of?
My Naboo's
Yes.
totally crap.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait.
This is the 17-inch PowerBook G4.
Naboo.
Okay, so I'm going to change
My Naboo's
camera.
covered with garbage.
Gabbage.
Okay.
Garbage! Human garbage!
Allow.
How rude.
How did it focus on that one time and now it's like not doing it?
Yeah, it looked really good when you first stuck it there. I was like, wow, that focused on that.
Like it never does it except that one time.
Wait a minute. That's not you?
Looks like the Homer J. Simpson version of
Yeah.
Joe.
I mean, the eyes are right, but
Homer Joe Simpson.
Steve Buscemi eyes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, and there's also, I forgot to show, there's also
Also?
a Wi-Fi for thingy, but it's
That's
oh.
hideous.
I hate those.
Oh, it's okay. It's magnetic. Okay, I'm like, how is it stuck on here? But it's just
Oh,
magnetic.
that's what you want around your computer is big magnets.
Yeah.
Do it. Magnets.
Well, apparently it must be.
I had a client once who called their purple toner a Magneta toner.
Did you slap him?
Did it? Well, no. I mean, there's laws against that.
He murdered him.
Yeah, I mean, Dave gets
that's-
away
that's
with
Dave.
no, but Dave gets away with murdering everybody. So
I thought it was just little old ladies.
I can hear his laugh in the background. I love that.
all right, so sock time. There you go. You can see.
Sock
the
it to
guy.
me.
I'm gonna go grab a computer I want to work on. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Where are you gonna find a computer over there, though?
Yeah, I know. Imagine Adam might have a computer or two to work on.
Ooh, it's in some kind of Apple computer.
So there's also another one of those solo stove stickers on the side.
They're a big fan of those fires.
Apparently. So this is
You
the
know,
computer.
For those, you don't have to remove the screws. You just twist. You just grab the CPU, the heatsink, and twist it. It should move.
Yeah. So this is what's wrong with the. as you
Ignore the
can see-
crunching noise. That's normal.
Yeah. As you can see, what's wrong with the. Yeah. It's. I told him actually today. I said, you have your CPU cooler in like wrong. And so he opened up the side. He's like, "What's wrong?" I'm like, "It needs to be turned like 90 degrees at least."
Mm.
So he's like, "Oh, this was my first build. I didn't know what I was doing." I'm like, "Okay."
Excuses.
Oh, I should make myself big. Why am I not doing that?
Do it. Wow.
So what did you install on that thingamajiggy?
Huh?
On your Power Mac? What did you install?
It's a power book.
Oh, PowerBook. Sorry, yeah.
I'm gonna install. I'm gonna try that new 10.4.12, but I've never installed it, so I don't know if I just have to download the.
Oh, so you don't? It's not an installer. You have to have 10.4.11. It's just like patches for it.
Yeah, that's what I figured. So I just downloaded it.
Yeah.
It's on a USB key and my NAS. So I'm
Yeah.
gonna install 10.4 fresh copy,
Yeah.
update it to 10.4.11, and then do the patches.
There you go. Yep,
And I'm just
so
gonna
that's what
sit
you
here
do.
throughout the whole stream like this.
Okay.
Look, I'm Sean.
But Sean is not that close.
In his picture, he is.
Oh. All right, so let's take out the fans first and foremost.
Just pull.
Just pull. Yeah.
Put in some RGB.
Just pull. Oh wait.
So
RGB
Yay,
makes
it's
everything
fun.
faster.
it does. Didn't you hear? Didn't you get the
I
memo?
don't like this too that close.
Well, I'm more a Mac user, so no
I put
RGB.
this Here.
No fancy case for you. You can have one that looks like a generic metal case or one that looks like a garbage can. Take a pick.
Pretty much. So I got disappointed. I was very hopeful this was the DLSD model, but it is not. It is
Okay,
the
so
second to
how-
last.
How in the heck do you get this thing out?
I told you to
Guessing
pull.
at this. Yeah.
Take
I'm
off
not
the
gonna-
fans and then take off the heatsink. Oh, you did already. It's just the
Yeah, I've
top
already
case
taken
fan.
out the fans. But
What GPU is
there
that?
we go. It is an AMD Ryzen 5.
The GPU, not the CPU.
Oh, sorry.
It's an AMD Ryzen 5 because it's built into the chip.
Oh, it's true actually in some way.
It says direct CPU or CU2. I don't know.
So
I'm
you
gonna
don't
have to take. I'm gonna have to take it out though. It's kind
It
of.
looks older.
It's not too bad.
Repaste it.
Whatever. I'm gonna definitely have to take it out though, because it's dusty.
What's the space between?
But I gotta figure out how to get this stupid. Let me get this. Okay, so that's loose.
That's too close for JLC PCB.
While we wait, can we do an ad for PCBWay?
No.
Well, you
Oh, okay.
can, I guess, if you
I was
want.
going to, but you know, Joe said no. So
Okay.
oh well.
How in the hell do you get this stupid thing out?
It's too.
Uh-huh.
That is an old Asus Gapu. David Starbuck.
Oh, hold on. We got Javier here. Sorry, Javier.
Yeah, I'm always the last of everything. Thank you.
Sorry, I was focused on the. I was focused over here and didn't look.
No,
over there.
no. There's, that's it.
That's it.
How's it
That's
going,
it.
guys?
That's it. I'm staying now.
Yeah, now
Bye,
I'm staying.
Javier.
I don't think this is working.
Hello.
Oh,
So how are you
how
supposed
you
to?
doing? And there's the Almighty Joe designing more cool things.
I know.
Yes.
So we can
After I
spend
already
more money on
submitted
this
them for
stuff.
$24 to JLC PCB, then realized I had designed it wrong, and it was already put in production, so I couldn't cancel it.
Oh,
Oh.
damn. Well, you can sell it to us very cheap. And then tell us
Sure,
it's our
it
fault
won't
that
work,
it doesn't
but all
work.
right.
Huh?
You want to bodge 4 wires on the bottom of the board? Go right ahead.
All right, I need to get more light
Hey.
in here.
I have no issue, and it comes natural to me to burn things. So,
Yeah, like me in Apple 3s. Shh. You don't talk about that.
you learn well, my son. You learn well.
Okay. How the hell do you get this stupid thing out?
Language.
Hey, it's my stream.
Jeez.
Yeah, but I'm restreaming it to my channel.
Oh,
Oh, I forgot.
Oh,
I
I
was
should
supposed to,
restream
click
my
that button
stuff.
and do
Yeah.
that.
Let's do this. How do I do
Yeah.
this? Stream
it should
to
be
your-
right at the top of StreamYard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you're logged in.
Yeah.
Got
this is-
Trina's music stuck in my head. It's stuck in my head. Oh gosh, I am crazy.
Well, don't blame me. Blame Ron of Ron's Retro Computer or Computer
What?
Vid.
You don't even know the
whatever.
name of his channel. Ron's retro computer thing stuff.
What kind of fan are you?
Yeah.
Apparently a piss poor one. Okay, so how do you get these,
JCLSBCBCB.
how do you get these things out?
ACB way.
What the hell is that noise?
That's my
Is that your
my
washer?
Daisy Wheel printer, and it's decided to be crazy.
Welcome to my channel. We have fun and games.
Yeah.
To the jungle.
Joe, I'm very happy that you're so easy to get distracted and get into.
That was me.
I wasn't the one
sorry.
singing that. That was.
Oh, that was okay. Well, it sounded like you.
Yeah.
That was me.
Hey, I'll take credit. It sounded better than me normally, so.
Merci.
Oh, this is annoying. I
Bow
can't get
cups.
this stupid.
Ron's camping videos.
All right, I'm gonna take out the
There you go.
GPU.
Actually, I would love to go camping.
Round.
Let's take this out while we're at
I've done
it.
that in lots of years.
Stop getting
Do,
frustrated.
do,
This thing
do.
should be a lever. Yeah, there's a lever to release it, but it's still like super tight.
Lever to Beaver. I know that's another thing.
Lever to beaver.
Oh,
So
well,
do you think back in the 50s or 60s
Yes.
when they started that TV show that they were cognizantly aware of the phrase beaver cleaver was had a double meaning?
I don't think that had a meaning in that time. Just like the
I
word
don't know
gay.
about that.
Just like the word gay, that it was supposed to be just fun.
oh.
Well, I
what
mean,
the
it is fun, but that's a different thing.
Well, now it's fun.
Trina joke.
heck?
Hey, I'm telling
See,
you,
I don't even
Joe-
need to make them on my own channel. That's why I have Joe here.
it's affecting you, Joe. Being around Trina, that's it.
Yeah, I know.
I know. It's
You used
all
to
my
be cool,
fault.
man. You used to be cool,
Who's
And then
Trina?
you turn,
and then Trina appeared.
and then I showed up on the
That's
site.
That's right.
Working on those retro things like that gaming computer.
I know. Trying to see. Okay.
I haven't played any PC games since Halo. That was my last game.
Hey, I got a gaming PC right here. See?
VCF Southwest, presented by the National Video Game Museum, started following me on
Coleco.
Instagram.
Nice.
So it's an Asus.
You guys like that noise?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like,
Yeah.
can you make
Sorry
it?
Your
about
washing machine?
No, I can't. I'm just gonna mute while I test this.
So it's an Asus Direct CU2. Is that the? Does that help you with what the GPU is?
Set to layer.
I think we lost Retro Techie.
What?
It's always on the front. That's dumb. Set to layer. Oh. That is not what I wanted to do.
Why did he put this card in? This card is
No,
totally.
you're stupid.
This card makes no sense.
You're stupid.
This card makes absolutely no sense.
See, these are okay.
So my Coleco Atom works, but
Oh, nice.
the printer is the power supply, and the printer is head crashing, trying to go to line 0. That's the noise you hear. It's just the head going.
Oh.
So I can't run the computer
Disconnect the
without-
motor.
Yeah, oh,
You
check
call
that.
it Adam's Adam?
Actually, I'm gonna turn it off. So you don't have to do
Adam's
that.
Adam.
Yes.
Oh, Javier, no.
I'm a dad, so I do that jokes.
So we were two.
It has a cool controller. The you know the guy Tech Tangents.
Yes.
I don't remember his old name was a weird Akabakaboo or whatever his stupid name was before that. He made a board you can put in the Atom that gives you just an internal power supply, and you can ditch the printer. So I think the next step for me to do is to get one of those, so I can just toss the printer aside and not worry about it.
Just hang on for a second, David. I'm going to try to find the
You,
sticker.
you can toss the printer without having to do anything else. I do it all the time.
I don't know how to do anything with this printer. There's no buttons on it.
Toss it.
It's the power supply for the computer.
Oh. Ew.
Where were you, Javier, when he was saying that thing? You know, that
As
thing he
always,
said?
I was distracted.
He was drinking a shot.
Girl, oh, where?
Hey, Adam, I heard you were in North Miami Beach, or where you were? And no, Boca.
I was in West Palm for a while.
Oh, worst. Yeah, West Palm.
worse.
West Palm.
Hey, it's a
Yeah.
Mario.
Hey, Javier, guess where I'm flying to tomorrow?
Where?
Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, hey, let's see if we can get together.
Yeah, let's have a meetup.
Yep.
So David Starbuck, it says GTX 780-DC20C-3
Throw it away.
GD5.
Garbage.
Wait.
It's garbage.
Oh, who's
Throw it
Javier,
away.
is that a
The
is that a
garbage
2C?
is Jim's address,
Yeah, right? Yeah,
right.
exactly.
Quebec, Canada.
Just 1 second. I'll be right back.
My name is
Okay,
Ishmael.
that's so Trina. She posts the channel and then she leaves.
Yeah. I'm gonna mute.
What's up,
again 'cause I
Will?
wanna turn this back on.
All right.
Javier, what'd you do to that 2C?
It's not mine, man, but it was a challenge. A friend of mine told me, "Hey, do you wanna? I have this, blah blah blah. There's this problem," and I say, "Send it to me." So we did a little swap. I gave him a good one, and he gave me this one.
You traded a good computer for a bad computer.
Yeah, that's why I need
you're
challenges.
Too kind or something.
Challenge time, like hammer time, but challenged.
Go. Oh,
Well,
oh.
we
oh.
know you're challenged.
Yes, I am
Yeah.
in lots of ways.
Oh, and by the way, that was UPS telling me
Ups.
that I have a parcel and that I need to pay for it now.
Lol. Yeah.
I'll get right on that.
UPS parcels not in Russia.ru.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah.
so
Can we bring that right down along this?
how in the
Is it
hell
fixed
do you
yet?
I need
No,
to
'cause I
borrow
can't
your
get-
microscope, Joe. My old
can't get
eyes
what?
cannot handle this.
I can't get this. I can't get this stupid part out.
Why not?
Oh, there it goes. Finally. Okay, that's that one.
Let me do something
If you
to
want
that.
return business, disconnect all the fans when you deliver it to the person.
Yeah. Great return business.
Well, they'll say we need a new computer.
Okay, so that comes out.
And what's with the cable management? Jeez.
Yeah. We're gonna fix that up too. Oh my God! Look at the dust.
I knew Trina didn't knew about cable management. But
Hey,
that's
hey, hey,
ridiculous.
hey, hey! Don't get say Trina did blah 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 blah.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. You
Trina
don't know.
Trina didn't build this.
Trina needs a cable management course.
But Trina
Mhm.
didn't build this. Don't go blaming me now.
Blame it on Trina. Yeah.
I'm very excited Mario's watching.
Mario.
Where
says
are their
in the chat.
brothers?
Mario. It's a Mario.
Come on.
Da, 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 da.
Oh. What are we building today? Mario, we are not so much building, but
Huh?
like rebuilding.
Trina's
Okay.
breaking something.
I'm not breaking
Not
anything.
surprised.
And
Look what you
also
did with the
welcome there.
GPU. You just dumped it on top.
She abuses and then destroys.
So
Put it somewhere nice.
Says
Don't just dump it.
Javier.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Sorcerer Stan.
Okay, so question.
That is correct.
How do I turn this around? 'Cause
Cool.
I
Quick.
can't.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
I think I know why they did it that way.
Copyright. Nintendo's evil.
Because the only way to put it in is this way,
So,
Uh-huh.
because of the where the clips are.
Did you just realize that you'd have to change the heatsink now to get another one?
I need this.
Is this what this has turned into, Trina?
Very well could be. Yes.
We'll wait while you go to Canada Computers.
Canada computers shouldn't be called Canada tires. Everything in
called
Canada
Canada-
has tires.
Yeah, should be called
No.
Canada Overpriced.
Tires.
It's not overpriced.
The sales are like $3.
Excuse me. I got 480 gig SSDs for $29.99. They were $10 off.
Because they're trash.
Well, this guy in Canada, what's his name? I forgot his name right now.
Ryan.
Correa Lima. No, he got a joystick for $4, an Apple II joystick in
Oh, nice.
Canada.
Where did-
For Canadian dollars. That's like 2 cents US.
That's not 2 cents.
We're
Oh,
an up and
bargain.
coming country.
My keyboard is broken.
Uh-oh.
Throw it away.
Okay.
Yeah, throw it. So I've been
Hi.
trying to fix this. This clear.
Oh shit!
That
What
pie
the
looks
hell?
delicious.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, you
What?
broke it!
No!
If you break
Damn
it,
it.
you buy it.
I've already paid for it. So
What did you break?
nothing. It's just a
You're-
screwdriver fell down into a really stupid spot.
Oh, good.
Jeez.
You want us to call 911?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Yeah, will you?
Jeez, Trina.
Oh my God! Whew. What the hell is that?
It's air.
You know what I wanna do, guys? I'm gonna see if somebody nearby can
Oh.
make a glass. Oh no. Do you think I could buy like those glass covers for iPads and cut it? I don't
Yes.
think so. Huh?
Probably.
Yeah, maybe.
For what?
But nowadays they made out of glass, so you cannot cut them. Remember when
I'm
they
still-
were film?
That's about as good as that's good.
What are you trying to make, Javier?
Meth. Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah.
I'd be careful
Well, I'm in
saying that with
Miami,
the,
yeah, so
I'd be
that's
careful
like everybody
saying that.
does.
I was
Huh?
gonna say I'd be careful saying meth with the name Javier and in Florida. See you, Eric.
You can go to just a glass shop and they can cut glass for you.
See,
Yeah, but I
glass,
wanted
yeah,
to
get
have
it,
like
get the
this.
joke.
Well, no, you're right. Yeah, maybe.
And Trina's demonetized.
But what I want to do is I wanted to be
I
non-reflective
need to
glass.
Export this stupid shit.
Well,
Okay.
So that's going to be a little bit more difficult.
I mean, I had a piece of glass that broke, and I had the pieces of it. I brought it to a glass shop and I said, "Please replicate this," and they just ordered the correct stuff and they made me a part. It wasn't
Oh, nice.
super expensive either because it's just glass.
Export.
Yeah. Well, this is for the LCD screen, so really it doesn't need it. It just looks nicer.
Yeah.
And I spent like 3 hours polishing it, and it's still not good.
The one
You spent 3 hours polishing your joystick, did you?
No. Polishing my glass.
I put an LCD into a 2C shell, a monitor
Uh-huh.
shell, and I actually found an LCD that came with glass on the front of it, so it looks really good.
Yeah, that's what I. Well, yeah, that's what I want. But I want a non-reflective glass. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, because normal glass is pretty reflective, and it will. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking here.
Going to JLC PCB to order more stuff.
I love that song.
What did I tell you? Hold on.
That's gonna be a hit.
Peaches, 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 peaches. Did you hear that yet? From the Mario movie?
I haven't
No.
seen it.
No, but I heard the song.
Oh, I haven't seen any trailers or anything for it.
And now it's in your head.
Oh,
Okay, so that's.
Yeah, it
that.
definitely is
that's
in my
a-
head.
Yeah, well, it's nice that there's something in your head
the
besides
fucking
air.
line is still in the middle of. I need to re-export the guy.
How goes your repairing, Trina?
It's going
Another
well.
successful Technobabble repair.
It's not so much a repair.
As a staring at the board.
look at this
Yeah, well,
thing.
maybe. Shut up, would you?
Oh, thanks for
Um,
joining us.
Where did I put my rubbing alcohol?
You were having a drink last night.
Yeah,
Oh, is that what that was? Okay.
that was it.
Yeah, no, I had bottles. Oh, there it is. Okay. Haha.
Tiny bubbles.
Make sure that the cat doesn't eat it.
Haha.
Drink it.
Big around with JC. Oh, and mother. Okay.
Are you looking up that heatsink and seeing the way you could position it on that board?
Not yet. I will be in a bit though. I just first want to make sure that I use some rubbing alcohol and clean off where the contacts were properly.
Why?
I wonder if JLC is going to get confused. It's like you re-uploaded the same file with like 3 different traces. I'm like,
Yes.
yeah, I want PCB quantity of
Well,
20.
just let them know it's you, so they
Yeah.
know it's craziness.
By the time I realized that the PCB had an error, I went and checked, and it's like PCB is in production. Files in production cannot be canceled.
Oh, no.
That's
Hey
fine.
Joe, when I bought this Atom, it came with this apparently not common 64K memory card.
Sure,
Ooh.
It looks very reproducible.
sure. It's probably just like any other thing. It's RAM, a couple of the address selection chips, like a 7 LS138, and probably a couple buffers like 244s or 245s.
It's even cheaper than that. It looks like it's got 8 RAM chips and 274 logics, and that's it. There's like this winding. I'm not sure what that is, but
Okay, so it's a cooler master.
and some resistors and some
It's for a
caps.
while. It's for a while.
I don't think there is a way to turn it around. That makes no sense, though.
I don't know if there's enough atoms in the world for this to make sense to copy, though.
Yeah, we use more than enough atoms in this world.
Hey, I wish the keyboard
Anyone-
worked.
Anyone got an idea of how to turn this around on the board?
Drill some holes into it.
how to do
Yeah,
PC stuff.
it should go this way. This
Yeah,
is the
are you
way it
sure
should
about
be
that?
going. Yeah,
That is the way.
that is the way it should go.
Just buy a new cooler and put it on.
Adam's
The
really right,
rails.
actually.
The rails on attached to the motherboard, are they attached in the wrong direction?
Well, but that's what I don't see. Like, I don't see another two holes.
There's no other places to put it the other
Yeah,
orientation.
yeah, right.
So perhaps that cooler is simply incompatible with that board because of reasons.
Ding, ding, ding.
Reasons? Sounds like a song.
You people
Reasons.
stress me out.
I feel like you should have done some research before taking the job.
Continue.
Which way are you trying to put it?
Well, okay, so
The wrong one.
it was originally this way. Ta-da,
Yeah.
which is wrong because it should go this way. So your fans are going. The fan on this side should be blowing in, and then this fan should be blowing out towards your.
It's that fan to the right of it.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a fan over. There's a fan on two
Fans
sides.
to the left of me, blowers to the right. Here I
Oh, yeah,
am,
there's-
stuck
there's
in
a
the cooler
massive-
with you.
There's a massive cooling fan on the top of it.
I'm a fan.
That's the top. Okay.
Yeah, that's the top.
Yeah, so leave it like that and let it blow out from the top.
Yeah, I might just leave one in, or I could leave them both in. I guess just
Immediately
make
is
sure
about
it's
to jump
blowing
to my
out.
Let
I
it
know, you
be.
can get a computer that doesn't need fans.
There you go.
Just get a liquid cool.
Now you can get a Mac Studio.
Maybe if I'm lucky, they'll when they
Yeah.
review it, they'll see, oh, you
Those
need
don't
another
make
one?
sense.
Do you want us to cancel this? I'm like, yes.
Okay, let me blow some air into it.
And they told you, tough luck, Joe.
Probably.
Joe, do you want us to cancel it? Yes. Oh well, no, we're not going to.
Well, too-
Those
too
Mac
effing bad.
Studios, those don't need fans at all.
Well, there's a fan in mine, but I've never heard it turn on yet.
So does it really exist?
I don't know. I'm not opening that thing up.
Kind of. Well, I guess the question is, like, does it exist if you don't open it?
Okay. Receipt for your
Schrodinger's
payment.
fan.
Right.
Just-
Exactly.
I guess the question is, do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man.
Yeah.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Wasn't that
Uh,
Shrek 2? Wasn't he on?
Yep.
When he made the
No,
first
that was
attempt?
Javier.
Oh, just Javier, was it? Okay.
Ding ding.
I need the invoice for this product right here.
Do-do-do-do.
Download. Sure. Go to folder.
Trina,
Rename it.
Yeah.
so
Get
now that
into
you're
my-
cleaning off the CPU, do you have a
Yeah.
plan? Are you
Yeah, I
brushing its
do.
teeth?
I'm trying to get the heatsink goop out of it.
You mean the thermal paste,
Ther-
as we call it in the business?
Heatsink,
business.
heatsink goop, thermal paste, potato, okay?
Purple
Potato, whatever.
Potato, potato,
Oh, I'm
tomato,
sorry. Should I-
tomato. One of you is right and the other is English.
Should I say potato, la patata? Like
La
is that
patate.
is la patate? There you go.
rain. Les patates.
Oui, oui, ha ha, sink.
Oh,
One bit is going to come after you for all that. You know that, right? Not
What
me.
am I gonna work on that?
You gotta pronounce your
On
right,
your
Trina.
Uh-huh.
father, Martin.
Oui, 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 ha ha, ha.
So, what do you say what do you say for no in French? Do?
No.
No. It's no.
Je ne sais pas.
Les Poo.
Pepe.
Oh, I'm gonna take
I
this.
almost made just spit it up.
Right, I was drinking. Thanks, Adam.
We say le Nvidia.
Okay.
that's
Okay, where can I
um,
put this?
Kai Cat 7, sure.
Okay, we're gonna put that there, and I gotta try to get this stupid screwdriver that fell down out.
That's where
Speaking of that, I gotta
screwdriver's
go.
gonna have issues in his life because you call him names.
I gotta go get my screwdrivers. I left them all upstairs. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, one
Okay,
bit
here.
answered.
Here's the
What's oh, what did he say?
That wee haw haw is a bad imitation for a Frenchman from France. You guys are still not aware that we are not them after 400 plus years in North America. Come on. I
No, you're
told
worse.
you he would hear that.
Who said that?
1 bit.
Michael.
Oh,
Yeah, we love you, Michael.
we weren't talking about Canadians.
No.
Just
Don't
remember
feel
when
that
you write
important.
Canada sucks on the side of your car, you also have to write it in French.
Yeah, exactly. we were making fun of the French people.
Well, technically,
Ignore all the dinging.
technically,
Okay.
Michael is French. So
Yep.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Michael, I
I-
apologize. Like, I'm not going along with this in the least bit.
This and this. And
actually, Michael, before the stream started,
memory board of
Retro
5
Techie was like, "Oh yeah, make fun of the French all you want. I'll go along with it the entire time."
Not true in the least bit. I want Anglo and Franco relations to be positive.
Image increase.
I need to figure something that will stick down.
What?
Well, I'm desolate. Je suis désolé.
Oh, he's sorry.
Je suis stupide.
Qui est coupé la fromage?
I don't know who cut the cheese.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all I know. And do you know where I know that from? It's not even from Canada. It's from Tiny Toon Adventures,
Ooh,
which is an American show.
Marco.
Tiny Toon Adventures, come and join the fun.
Yep.
That's
Oi, the hell they.
I think of using this with the power book.
Okay, I'm not putting my screwdriver back where I had it because it seems to fall down.
Smoky.
Ooh, she's dusty.
These are going to
You're dusty.
I'm taking the cards out and just kind of.
cool colors.
Ooh,
Cool colors.
that's a dusty.
They're
computer.
tiny, they're toony, they're all a little loony.
There you go.
They're tiny, they're toony, just like
Joe.
Canadian money.
Joe Strasser Snyder.
What?
Just like JCM-1.com.
Hey, you know what? You can get some cool stuff at jcm-1.com, like blue scuzzies and t-shirts and keyboard
friend.
encoders. And pretty soon, this thing I'm designing right here on my screen.
And a friend.
And a
No.
friend.
No, no one's going to be your friend, Retro Techie. Sorry.
Aw.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, so for some reason, they also had put in. Where did I put the card? This card.
What?
This one here.
It's a
It's
raid
a-
card.
Is that what this is?
Is there SATA ports all over it?
Oh, just 4.
Then it's a raid card.
But they only had 1 plugged into it and nothing else.
Because they
That
don't know
doesn't
how to
mean they
use
were
it.
using it right. It's just a raid card.
Okay, well, I'm leaving the raid card out because it was also
So if we look at data,
it was
data
bumped
bus
up
has to go
against
both front
the
and back.
fans on the GPU because it was like right here.
Are the internal headers on the board working?
Yeah, because they were all like, so this red cable. Here, let me move this down a bit. This red cable here
Uh-huh.
was plugged into it and then plugged into a SATA port.
Wait, it was
And that's
plugged
it.
into... No, I'm not understanding. They plugged the cable into the card and the motherboard?
Yeah.
Why?
Eh?
That's not how it's used.
Oh.
And
well,
also, like, best case scenario, it will do literally nothing. Worst case scenario, failure to boot.
Yeah, that's it. Like you're supposed to plug hard drives into that card, not the motherboard.
Yeah, no, they
Okay.
had the motherboard plugged into this.
I think I know why it didn't work.
Well,
Yeah.
no, they showed photos of it working, so it's not like it didn't
Lies.
work.
These are lies perpetrated by the deep
deep
state.
state?
of
I can't talk. Shut up.
Okay.
You're upsetting
Anyway.
Michael still. He's still very upset in the chat.
Who?
1 bit.
Oh my
He's
God.
still very upset. You should apologize to all of Quebec right now.
We're still not getting that Quebec is different.
J'ai apologise.
Oh, Yeah, we know that Quebec was different. I'm just making fun. I'm sorry.
Quebecois.
J'ai suis désolé.
You are all jolly British.
I love
good
that word,
British
désolé.
people, Canadians and Americans included. Okay.
Mikael, we're good, you and I.
Oh, hey, Beckus.
We're not so different, you and I.
That's right. Well, he's from my area, technically, so originally, at least.
This is Tranya.
Yeah, he still lives though.
Your
Michael still
brother's
lives up in
Relish
Quebec,
is
doesn't he?
one.
Yeah, he lives in the province, but we're not very close. I think we're like an hour and a half between
It's
us.
a
Or
province
something.
boy.
It's like, where do you live? Tallahassee. Where do you live? Florida. Might as well,
Yeah.
or Miami. Might as well be across the country.
Right.
It's like
Trina,
the
I
difference
don't-
between
yeah.
Tallahassee and Key West is the difference between Ohio and San Antonio, Texas.
Correct.
You should take that gaming computer
Yeah.
onto the local subway. I'm sure it's
Okay.
very safe,
And
and take that
toss it.
safe subway.
Yeah,
Go
right.
to Canada Computers and try not to get stabbed while you're on the subway. please.
Yeah, okay. So, have you heard about our stabbings in Toronto on subways and buses? Like, it's pretty shitty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey Trina, did I ever tell you a story of my the stabbing story in Toronto when I was in Toronto?
No.
You stabbed somebody?
Really?
Who did you stab?
No, that's a funny story. That's one of my best stories
That's a
in
funny
New York. So
Let me
listen,
tell you about the time I almost died.
yeah, exactly. Actually, so I went to Toronto for my company to give a presentation, whatever, blah blah blah.
Right.
So I'm in my hotel, minding my business. I go to sleep, and then like at 2:00 in the morning, I hear somebody trying to open my door.
That's fun.
Okay.
And thankfully, I normally put the 2 or 3 things, to close it.
Yeah,
So I just wake up because I heard that, but I say, well, he won't be able to get in. I thought, it's like I'm sure it's a drunk guy in the wrong door. You know what I mean? So it stops, and I go out to sleep. So next morning, I'm preparing to go to work, and I put the news, and then on the news I see my hotel, and I was like, what? So I put the volume up, and there was a stabbing in my hotel, like 2 floors above me,
Oh my god.
and they killed 2 people.
Mhm.
And I think the killer was trying to get into my room. I'm not sure, but somebody was.
Oh my goodness.
So I was like, okay. So there goes Canadians, the nice people, and no crime.
It was an American doing it, actually. I
I,
was staying at the hotel.
Yeah.
it was a hotel, actually.
Somebody
you're
from Florida.
Florida.
right. I wouldn't be surprised.
and,
I
and
would not be surprised.
I'm just gonna
That
catch
that
up.
was a funny thing. When I went to the office and I told the guys, everyone was like gasping, like, "No way!" Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So there
So I'm
you
just
go.
gonna catch up with those who joined. I see we have Francois from France.
Yes.
Okay, we stop saying funny things about
Francoise.
French. Okay,
Yeah, I know.
French people are
Ta-
very cool.
Thomas. Oh, they
We
are
were just
totally.
joking.
Thomas Armstrong. Hey, Thomas.
Thomas.
Flintlock is here from the UK. We won't talk about their teeth over there. Say, I'll
I'm gonna
take.
I'm gonna stop sharing this to my stream. Actually, give me a minute.
Why? What are you afraid of? You might get more subs that way.
No, not the ones I want.
Are we sure?
No.
Okay. Let me take a look. Asus.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Asses.
You could run Linux on it.
Yes.
Okay, both you and RetroTech are banned.
Raspy
Oh.
Linux.
8350.
Raspy.
dash F.
It's like, did it smoke too much? Now it's raspy.
Raspy is not when you got something in your throat.
Look at this. That's.
Oh,
the-
I'm installing updates from 2009. It's going to be
So
secure.
it
My
can
PowerBook.
only activate one.
Uh-huh.
It can activate 2 banks at a
Good
time.
God.
Okay.
Make sure you
So I
install
go- oh!
Flash and Java on it too while you're at it.
But it's
So
never
just-
It is. It's updating the Java.
Just an update, by the way. I got my PC set up.
From PCBWay?
No, my PC from. Actually, it's almost the same case as what I have right here.
It only took 8 years.
Yeah. But I can at least use it to like now while I'm streaming because my Mac Mini sucks.
Can I have it?
No.
I'll give you $50.
Add a zero
Like
on it,
$3?
and we got a deal.
For a
Like $3
2014?
Yeah.
Throw it in the trash for $500. A 2014.
Actually, I need to sell this one.
Which one, what year is it?
2010.
Those at the same time.
This is an A. Oh my God, my old eyes.
A number
weird
one
model.
Exactly.
If it opens up, it's old.
Yeah, A1547, something like that. Yeah, it opens up.
Is there an optical drive?
No.
No, 2011 probably then.
Or 2012?
Yeah.
One of the two. Yeah.
It doesn't have RAM, and I think I put an SSD over there, but it didn't work. I don't know. I haven't been able to make it work. I think because of the RAM.
Probably.
Because it's
Well, you need
more
RAM.
coffee.
Javier, you do know that you need RAM in the computer to make it turn on, right?
I know.
Okay.
And the RAM that I put in here never worked. So I think I'm putting the wrong RAM. I just want to get rid of this. I want to get a new Mac Mini M1.
We should
Where's the
talk.
frickin'
I'll take it.
RAM?
I'll take it and see if I can get it working.
M2.
Well, you'll take it for free or for money?
I'll take it for money.
Okay, for money.
Oh,
I'll-
boy.
I'll
For
offer.
free, no.
I'll offer you $5 in Canadian Tire money.
Oh, that much? Damn.
What about
Free
that?
ship.
Free shipping? Okay.
Yeah, we'll talk off stream about that one.
Sure.
This keyboard has all of the hair from all time inside of it.
All of the hair.
Hairy
Yeah.
keyboards.
It's disgusting.
You can floss your teeth with that keyboard.
And after seeing this, I'm not surprised it doesn't work.
Okay, so it's interesting. So I did a Google search for AMD AM4 because that's the slot
Yeah.
on that motherboard, and it actually came up with the cooler that is installed in it, and it says that it works with an AM4.
Maybe it has it. You're missing some pieces where you could actually turn it, and it has like a bridge or something over top. Like a
Yeah, I
piece.
think I'm missing parts.
You have a screw loose.
Well,
Besides
I knew,
that, she's probably
I-
missing pieces.
I knew that anyway.
Ah,
Yeah, no, it's
you have-
the same. Yeah, it's the same. It's the
Do you have
same
another cooler you could put on it in that
No,
pile of
No.
laptops?
no, yeah. Unfortunately, they don't come with coolers. Yeah, but yeah, it's funny that it came up
Oh, God.
with that one.
Well, it was a good stream.
So,
Thanks, Trina, for
find
that.
another one.
She took the cooler off. Thanks, folks.
Well, actually, I took everything else out of it too.
What chip is
far.
on there? Ryzen 5 what?
I don't
Should
know.
be printed on the chip.
Let me go to my Facebook. I can tell you.
No, but it's written
Does-
on the chip. Look
Yeah, I know,
down.
but then I don't have to. But hold on, I don't have
Look
to. Oh,
down.
I'm sitting at my computer. Hang on.
Go across the room 3 feet and look down.
It's not even 3
Jeez.
feet.
Oh my god.
You had
I'm just
one job.
Oh, it's R. Okay.
Sure, do that. I don't
It's a
care.
membrane keyboard. No wonder it doesn't work.
There you
Top of the
go.
line.
There you go.
Oh, there's a big, like a fur ball in here the size of a whole cat.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, David. Is that I'll make sure that the fans are facing the right way, so that at least the cooler's going towards that
Oh.
massive.
What
fan.
CPU is on it?
Oh, shut up, would you?
Call in.
All right, here it is. It's an
Yeah.
AMD Ryzen 5 Raven Ridge 14NM technology.
No. What model? Ryzen 5 3600,
Oh
Ryzen
my!
5 26. Like,
God.
what is it? Don't give
I
me all these
don't
code
know.
names. Go look at it. It's written on the chip.
You know what? Turn it on and check on the
Really
what
quickly.
it is about.
Well, actually, that's what I just did. Is the person I put the whole specs on it, but I don't see it.
Look
Um,
inside.
I'm looking. Okay, hi, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay,
This
chill.
Read.
I don't want
Great.
RetroTechie to have like a heart attack. Oh my god.
You will.
CP
I know.
I didn't-
Oh, you will.
I didn't say
gotta
Joder.
find-
Would
Hold on.
that's only gonna
What's Joder?
So
Take you relax.
it's
Oh my god, this is a 40-minute process of looking at the chip. Just look down.
look,
Relax.
look,
I
there it
can't
is.
see you with your garbage camera. What does it say? Ryzen what?
Hold on. I gotta get my Jesus. It says AMD Ryzen.
Ryzen what?
Ryzen 5 2400G.
Okay, 2nd gen Ryzen. Thank you. God,
Was that difficult? Jeez.
jeez.
I know.
Yes. Oh wait.
Apparently.
Oh,
Are you gonna be okay now, Richard?
strip it for parts and get rid of it.
I can. I bought it for a customer.
So, sell them parts.
Means that. So right.
Sell the
You have-
customer the part.
This gives me
Do you have another motherboard you could throw that chip into?
No.
Stripper.
Nice. The stream is going well so far.
Goes in that direction, and this is reading.
Oi,
Oh, yeah.
Bay.
exactly.
But you can put.
You can tell Javier's from Florida. Is in Florida.
Yeah.
Oy
And by the
vey.
way, talking about that, there's a show on Netflix called Florida Man. I was expecting something funny. It's crap.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh. I've never seen it. I don't have Netflix, so.
Yeah, you're not missing too much.
Okay. Well, let's start putting this back together, I guess.
You can't. Not properly.
Why?
First of all, those
Well, that's
cables.
the flaw.
Redo the cable management before you put that graphics card in. We gotta do it properly, Trina. This is not.
Yeah.
This
what's
is not
the deal
Trina
with
because
you,
technical
Trina?
babble.
Sheesh.
You're on my stream. Do it properly. Take all the cables out. Redo it.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Fine.
And is the RAM in the right slots?
Yes.
Where's the
Yeah.
2 and 4 or 1 and 3?
So these newer boards seem to work with 2 and 4, not 1 and 3, as
Okay.
the other ones used to. So, yeah. No, I'm fine with that.
Strip it. Redo it because that looks like trash on the inside.
All right. Let's take out
You
the
know I'm right.
fans. I know
These
you're right.
only output
And
Okay.
then can you zoom out so you can see the whole computer?
when it's reading. When we read.
There you go.
That's about as good as it gets.
All right. And it has an external Wi-Fi card.
Yeah, right here.
That's correct.
One of those
And
with the
then
heat
they
sinks and all that.
With 4 pins, yeah.
So is that a
Do you have the
positive or-
antennas? Or is it that
Well, yeah,
stupid
that's-
ugly antenna thing that was coming
That's
with
that
it?
stupid ugly antenna thing that I took off earlier.
Okay. Time to
Okay.
redo it.
I don't even know why these aren't plugged in.
detailed clock?
Take it all out
Audio,
and then
yeah.
tie up the cables for what you don't need. You know this. You're a professional.
Yeah.
It, when it goes high.
I don't think there's much you can do with the cable, unfortunately.
So
The hard drive
has to
A
be
there.
in-
Wrap them up and jam them in, right?
Any needs to be inverted.
Where does that go?
It is.
Take out the power supply. Pull the
He
whole
did
thing
it.
out. Redo it. It's
Yeah,
your
but-
stream.
Cool.
I know, but there's only, like, I'm looking at it, there's only so much you can
So I'm
do
just
with.
gonna move it over there. But only when it's tall.
I can tuck this kind of in.
You have any cable wraps or cable ties?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Trina.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise.
Also,
Well, I can actually move this. I can't do anything with that because that's going to go plug
see
into
this?
the...
These are what you need.
Oh, I have those.
Yes, use them.
I will here when I... I'm seeing what's all around.
Wrap up the extra cables. Make it look nice.
So this one goes in here. Yeah, this was the guy's first build.
cancel. Good.
Retro Techie, are you really the angry Canadian?
I really am. I'm like the angry video game nerd's cousin.
This is generating the addresses.
I want to get
Is
the
there-
stupid. Okay, the
Golden
stupid red cable's bothering me.
It's done.
Yeah,
I
pull them
feel
out.
like I'm. I feel like I'm at the. I feel like I'm on the Matrix. Do you see the girl in the red dress?
And this just needs to be 5 volts.
That's a horrible view you're giving us right now.
Well, you're gonna.
Where's your other
It's
camera?
gonna. On my. Monitor.
Move it.
Just hang on for a sec. It's only gonna be.
I
There
don't
for
have
a
time for
second.
this.
Who are you trying to tell? Oh my God! Who? Glad I took
My
that back
viewers
off.
need a better camera angle.
I am sorry to Retro Techies viewers.
That's
Right.
not what I wanted to do. Control CV.
Garth is back
Garth is back.
the very next day.
Back again.
He thought he was a goner.
Oh, sure.
No, not. I know what Joe's thinking of. Oh,
Can you
well,
take
it's
out those red cables? Just to
Do you
get
really?
rid of them.
How do you know what I'm thinking of when I don't know what I'm thinking of? That's
there's-
that's the important.
The fans are connected
Oh.
with adapters. They can't be
Okay.
controlled. Throw out the fans. You need better fans than that. That's not good.
I'm not a fan.
Can you do the frickin' select it, Kai-Cat? Oh my God! I swear to Allah.
Oh boy! Damn!
Okay,
Select the text. The text.
Where
The
does that-
text.
Is
Oh,
on
my
fire.
Giddy aunt.
Okay, so that goes to the
Jiminy
top
Christmas.
USB. Okay.
There we go.
First we got the Angry Canadian, and now we got Angry Joe.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't have a black case.
Angry Joe!
Do I?
You are.
Could you change the
are
fan on top and remove that
When
stupid
and
non-stop fan that you have there?
I'm not a fan.
The
No.
cast DA, which is a
Oh.
low.
Because I
It'd be
don't
so
have another
loud.
fan.
When and only when your cast DA.
What I'm trying to figure out is why didn't he use a black SATA cable for that bottom drive?
Why does it matter what color it is?
Because the other ones are black, and then you got this one red one that. Well, the red one from the case I can't do anything about because it is what it is. But I like
Why?
to have them all black.
But
Hate
black is beautiful.
What's
And
that?
once you go black, you won't go back.
I mean, he's got it tied up pretty good in the back. There's not much I can do with the cabling.
No, but the
Okay.
front is what I'm talking about. The stuff
Yeah,
you
I
see.
know. I know. Trying to see what goes where. Okay, so this can actually get plugged into.
Actually, it didn't say.
So what he actually had.
Mhm.
So this red cable here. Ta-da! Sorry,
Yeah,
it's kind of
The
blurry.
blurry one, yes.
Yeah.
Blurry cam.
This one.
Yeah.
That's going to the top or the front USB ports. Was actually plugged into that card.
Did you have eSATA on the front of the car of the computer? Was that it?
I don't know. Hold on, let me turn it around.
You don't know?
Look
I
at the
haven't
front.
looked. I am. Jesus.
Come on!
Come on, man!
No, there's no eSATA ports on the front.
And why is it plugged in there?
Oh, hang on. Maybe there is. Maybe I'm looking wrong.
I see dust.
Yeah, there is an eSATA port
That's why it's connected.
right there.
I can't believe that. I cannot
No,
believe
wait, where? I see USBs.
Yeah, USB, but this one
You said-
isn't. That's eSATA.
There we go. Throw that thing away.
Yeah.
You don't need it.
Those four together because they're all together. Then we can just.
But where does that
gate.
go? Oh, that's
The
interesting.
drive? The DVD drive? What is that?
That's apparently if
Blank?
you want to put screws in it or something.
That's where you
it's
keep
like
your Mary Jane.
But it like
Last dance with Mary Jane.
okay, so where does? Okay, and then there's also
There's like 32.
there's also an add-on card here with two
At
USB 2s and 3s and
34.
audio ports.
Yeah.
Uh huh.
Okay.
It is.
So now we go.
So
to,
I need that card, don't I?
If you want to keep using those, I guess.
Well, the USB port should just work, shouldn't they?
If they're plugged into something on the motherboard, yes.
Usually the front panel stuff is either into the motherboard with like a
Yeah.
that weird header, or they're in a card.
errors too. Just want the errors.
Maybe I should have just
Not
did a
add
custom.
U11 or U4.
I think you're all over the place. Start with the cable management.
So what is U11?
I don't know. Start with making it work.
Cable management.
Yeah, I gotta see if it works first. I haven't even seen if the damn thing boots up yet.
You bought it without knowing if it works.
Language, please.
Well, he showed pictures of it working, so I'm assuming
I can show you
it
pictures
works.
of it working. Doesn't mean it works.
What?
Okay. Oh, I know where I have. I know where. Okay. Okay. Yay me. I'm smart after all. Haha.
No, you're not.
No.
Wow. Who invited this asshole to this? Oh, well, that was me.
That's MRT.
Wait, that was me.
MRT.
Shit.
Yeah. Hey, there goes my channel. Oh,
I know. I know.
Language, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, oh, poopy. What a shame.
Oh, poopy.
Oh, poopy.
Okay, let me move some stuff around.
This keyboard has like
Do it.
87 little tiny screws
Only
But I can-
87?
that I can barely see because my eyes are damaged, so I can't work on it now.
Yeah, what happened to your? So did it just happen overnight? Like with?
I have
Your
no
eyes?
idea. I had my left eye. I had near vision, so I could see everything up close, super clearly,
Okay.
since forever.
Okay.
And then I went to Florida for 10 days, and the day
Oh.
after I got back, I can no longer. It's weird. My left eye, I can now see far really clearly. I never could see far with my left eye before. I see better now with far with my left eye than I could with my right, but I can't see anything close up anymore. It's like I've lost my near vision. It just all happened in one day. I woke up like on Thursday,
Yeah.
and I just can't see anything close. I can barely read my phone. I can
Huh.
barely read the chat on this computer screen. It's
Wow.
really hard to do.
You gotta go
anything.
to the optometrist, man.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go when I'm in Florida. I have a day where I'm working at night for a site flip, so I'll have the day open. I'm gonna go find it.
Control A, delete.
But it really sucks because I can't see what I'm doing anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you ever wear glasses?
Yeah, I used to wear glasses because I was nearsighted in both eyes,
Uh-huh.
and I could always see close, but I couldn't see far. So I got LASIK in my right eye,
Mm.
which made it so I could see far. But I didn't do anything to my left eye. My left eye, I had 20/10 vision close. Like it was really, really good vision.
Mhm.
And I don't know. I maybe just sitting on the beach for too long. I burned my retina or something. I don't know. It's just what's
Yeah.
odd is it's not like I've gone blind in the eye. It's like now I can see far. It's like the focus of my eye changed all in one day.
Wow.
Weird.
Yeah.
I did
Nothing
notice
good
that
comes. Go ahead,
If
sorry.
I go
Nothing good
outside,
comes from Florida.
if I go outside where it's bright out, I can actually read better. It's like I can still read close when it's really bright, but
Where
I don't
did
know.
take
It's really
that
annoying,
cable
and I can't work on any of my
Forgot
stuff.
how to do this.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Look, I have another. Oh, you can't see.
I don't see anything.
I just installed another black cable for the other drive.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see that we're looking at some brushes. That's what we were looking at.
Ta-da!
I
Oh, there you go.
I put all orange.
I wonder if I can do that top one though.
Orange
Told
and
you
blue.
once you go black.
You know why you need orange and blue? Because that's where I steal them out of Dell's, and they're all orange and black.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
From the library.
All right, so we're gonna put the heatsink back on the way it is for now, because apparently it's recommended for this case. Although, anyway,
Seems fine to me. Who cares which way it faces?
yeah.
Adam,
Well-
it's saying in the chat that you should probably go to the eye doctor because you could have a detached retina.
Yes.
Oh wow, that could
Oh,
be.
shit.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, actually, I would go today or tomorrow if possible, man.
Yeah, I'm flying tomorrow. I'll have to wait till Tuesday.
Okay.
I would go now.
Okay.
You're drinking a bottle of alcohol right there.
It's cola.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Alcohol cola.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's scary.
I'm having a major brain fart.
Does it
Can we
smell?
help?
It smells like smoke. Should I be concerned?
That's just a Reefy
No, no,
Cat
no.
Blue.
As long as it doesn't smell like burnt toast.
Well, yeah, burnt toast, smoke.
Mm.
Smoking.
Like,
Do-do-do-do.
Okay, can your fans
I'm
see what I'm
having-
doing?
a
I
severe
can see
problem.
you putting too much cool paste on that thing.
His eyes are fine.
Yeah, apparently.
Objects, nets.
Yeah, that's a lot, huh?
It's not really.
So are you making a cake?
Where the hell is this in this application?
Wait, who invited Adam
I had it
again?
figured out last time.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Okay, so this goes back
Not the
on.
footprint editor.
You should never apply thermal paste on YouTube ever.
Yeah, I know. Although
I
weirdly
blurred
enough,
out.
no one ever comments on my videos, so
Like nobody's watching.
nobody's watching, I guess.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't watch your videos. What are you talking about?
Add footprint.
Oh shit, it's upside down.
Sure. I'm just
Garth-
going to do this.
Garth says he wouldn't fly until you get it checked out,
That's
Adam.
not what, yeah, that's
Yeah,
not what we
whatever.
need.
I'll be fine.
If anything happens, I need your black Apple IIs.
All I know is it's kind of cool that I can see really far now with that eye. So I can always get glasses and see close.
It's true.
Okay, so we're gonna put this back on.
Stop
Get
it.
magnifying glasses.
I have a microscope.
Walk around all day with that.
Yeah.
Who puts a heatsink on that way?
I'm gonna get some big old thick glasses and walk around and tell everybody my name's Mr. Magoo.
Shit.
Bumping into people.
My name's Adam. I'm looking for a post office.
That
What's
does
this?
sound like Adam.
Oh, those aren't pillows.
Okay, there we go. It's on.
Make
there.
sure you aim the fans up.
Yeah, I know. Yes,
Why am I?
I do know
This is
that much.
pissing me off, guys.
Whoops. Whoopsie doodle.
The last time I edited this, it was easy as hell.
Okay, I need to find out.
Oot.
I want to know.
I need to find out.
It's like it doesn't have a footprint, but like, so I want to add the footprint, but like, how do I do that? Before I just double clicked something and it did it, and now it's like, nope, I'm KaiCad. You're
Step on
forever like just banished to the shadow realm.
Step on it.
So it was this, and it got me to that. Can't no footprint assigned. Well, where is it then?
Okay, where are the
You haven't screamed
Arrows.
enough. Loud enough.
arrows?
The
Whoops.
arrows.
Yeah, because usually there's arrows on the
Yeah,
plastic.
Are you saying for the fan?
Yeah, for the fan.
It goes out the back.
Yeah, I know it goes out the back, but you got to
There
figure
you
out
go.
which way is up.
I used to be able to like click a button and go select a footprint, but I can't do
Usually
that.
the side
What-
with
what
the label
happened?
is
Where did this
out.
go?
Yeah, like Adam's saying, the back label. That's where the
I am
air's coming
so
out.
angry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
there.
that's right.
That's yeah.
That's not what we want to do.
Okay, let's put this on.
Tools.
Do-do-do-do. Let's put this on. Can I?
Assign footprints. Jiminy frickin' Christmas! I found it.
Really? Why aren't you going on?
So we've got U11 and U4.
There we go. Okay, so that one goes there.
And you're just a 28 pin.
Microscope.
This
Single
goes
one.
there.
32 pin. Right.
Do-do. I need more light.
believe it or not, I think you're a dumbass.
Hey,
Well, hey, right back at you.
That was the best episode of that show ever.
Sorry.
Right
I'm
back
updating my
at you. Then.
Java. Don't do that while I update my Java,
2 by
please.
32.
Will I update my Java?
I'm on Java version
By
9 now.
32
Oh, okay.
Top of the line.
I tell you.
vertical.
Okay, where did I put my cleaning cloth? Right there.
Package dip.
With your face cloth in the
Just
bathroom.
package dipping, probably.
No. I do keep them separate.
Package dip.
I mean, you don't
I
use
would
the
be
same
careful.
toothbrush for motherboards and your teeth.
Adam's
32.
watching, so do it properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 7.62.
I mean, he can't see what you're doing, but do it properly.
All right, there. Okay.
I might use things that run Java. I don't know.
Did you say
Under
Java?
one.
Java.
Java.
Oh god, he's like intentionally doing it on purpose again.
Yes.
Java.
Update. Yay, close.
Who needs a keyboard? I can just play Donkey Kong on this machine.
Or your Coleco.
Oh wait, no, that's Pac-Man.
That's-
That's the one with the printer, right? The printer that provides power for the unit. That's
the
a smart
printer
way.
is providing power, but it's not working as a printer.
No, but that's a very smart way to make sure that people buy your printer.
Boot it with the thing.
It's a
Well, this
You
computer
need the
also, if
printer.
you don't put any software in it, when you turn it on, it just is it's a word processor. So
Huh.
basically, out of the box, you've got like a typewriter,
Lies.
what's a
and then you
typewriter?
can put the game in the tape slot and play a game. But I don't have any tapes for it. I only have ColecoVision cartridges.
I almost got one for $20 once. The guy reneged on our deal.
For an Atom.
What's that?
What's funny is I bought
Full
this and the these were not in the photos or mentioned, and I was thinking I was going to have to buy the controllers,
Mhm.
and it actually showed up with two of them, so
Yeah, you were saying.
they both work.
Adam's a
Nice.
gamer.
Yes. As
Yeah,
long as
serious
this is the
gamer.
game.
This is not
I
showing
do
up.
have about 10 more games that I got with my regular ColecoVision.
So, do I need that card for the eSATA port?
Well, where are they plugged into?
Right now, nowhere's.
Where
Well,
was
then
it?
you need to
plugged
plug
into?
them into something.
Well, it was plugged into that card.
Well, either plug it in the card or plug it in the motherboard.
I think I'm out of spots on the motherboard. Yes, no.
Or just
no, I'm
put tape over them, forget about them.
Forget about it.
not. Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah, I could just plug it in down here.
Guys, do you think there's a way to make clearer a composite image? Like it's blurry. Can I sharpen it with something?
A pencil sharpener? I don't know. It's outside of my realm, so I don't know.
Does that LCD have composite input?
Yep,
It's stretching it, right?
that's all it has.
It's probably just the scaling of that display. It's making it look crappy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there's no way to make it better, isn't it? Yeah.
You could get a 4x3 monitor and make a screen that's the
Yeah,
right space.
Okay, we'll put that in there.
Actually, yeah, if I could get a BGA, it would, of course, make it better.
Okay.
I want a screen that looks like that, but shaped 4x3.
Then it won't look like this.
I know, but it'll look cool. It'll still match the Apple IIc, but it will actually not look squashed.
Hey, you should go to Kansas Fest. That's all I can tell you.
Yeah, I can't go.
Oh, come
Bye,
on,
Darth.
use your miles.
I am busy that week,
Tell
but
them.
I'll be at BCF Midwest though.
Get sick. Oh yeah, by BCF Midwest, you will have it.
No, I'm
Oh
not
shit.
working that week. I'm actually going on vacation already.
Oh, oh. That I cannot help you with.
Okay.
I got plenty of time off that I could use.
Echo.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
got an echo.
Yeah, well, but yeah, I know what you mean. The owner is the owner, and if she says we're going on vacation, you're going on vacation.
Okay, are we ready to turn this on and see what happens?
No, you haven't plugged in the graphics card.
Oh yeah, thank you.
No power on that.
The echo
Thanks for
gone.
the heads up on that.
Do it. I want to see smoke.
Well, it wouldn't smoke, it just wouldn't do anything. And I'd be like, why the
Smoking.
freak isn't this working?
Whoever designed video cards that need their own power is an idiot.
I know.
That was
I want
Garth.
to see carnage.
That was
You could have done like Apple and just added a header to the board that had 6 pins with power. Made it a standard.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
because this is PC world where nothing is standard and the points don't matter.
PC World, can I help
Nothing
you?
is standard and the points don't matter.
There is standards though. I mean PCI slots.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye, guard.
So just make the PCI slot standard have power rail on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Francois.
Hit it with a hammer. Smack.
You got an RGB? Yeah, you know me. You got an RGB? Yeah, you know me.
I don't know what you're trying to do, but please stop before the other
What
cat
about
dies.
now?
I don't know what you're trying to do. Oh God, please stop.
Yeah, I don't know
Trying
what that is that he's trying to do, but whatever
To
it
get
is.
you to lose subs.
Yeah, apparently. Please stop.
I can't measure the board. My
Yeah.
my calipers are too short. It can't. I can't do.
It's
I have to
1.3
measure with,
calipers.
with old-fashioned, inaccurate ruler device.
Okay, so let's
Let's use this thing.
Old
the desktop
fashioned?
is off.
I thought
Yeah,
you were a
well, that's not
fashionista.
precise enough.
It is for the 70s.
It has inches, and inches are the ass. I have to use this thing instead.
That is correct.
How do you know this only has inches? It could have millimeters on it.
Yeah, every inch is 25.4 millimeters.
All right. Are we ready to try this?
So I have a
yes.
tape measure
No.
that that's actually a rack measure. It gives you rack units.
Yeah,
Okay,
1.75.
There's my monitor. Nope, that's a bright light.
Where is it?
So it is center to center.
I don't see no monitor. Oh, there
There's
it
a
is.
monitor.
I don't need no
Come on.
stinking click.
You
Okay.
put your monitor on the stove.
No, the stove's in behind it.
228 and change.
Do it.
Somewhere there's a. Oh, I need to turn it on.
We're slamming the device.
There we go. We have,
Rock and
by the
roll.
way, just quickly, we have
Rock and roll.
RGB on the board. Look at that.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Mhm.
power it on again.
Can
Oh.
you? Can you?
Ta-da!
Can it even be called real electronics these days if it doesn't have RGB on it?
No, it cannot.
Oh, we got a beep.
Burp.
Ta-da!
We
Showing
got
you something.
Javi over here singing Sabado Gigante or some shit.
And I have no idea what's going on with this top fan.
Beep beep.
Blinking.
Yeah, No.
So it's 230.
If you don't
I don't know why.
recognize that music, you didn't have a childhood.
228.
I don't recognize that music.
200 to 28.
You did not have a childhood.
I think it has
So
windows.
No,
on
I-
it.
Did you
So
see?
have
I don't know if you
Beep.
saw the post I made today on Face or on Twitter.
No.
220.
Oh, so I retweeted where somebody was talking about if something about my generation and if I'd be dead by now if people knew what I did as a kid. And
Uh-huh.
I'm like, I would be taken away from my parents.
Yep.
Today. All right, I don't have a keyboard or anything. I gotta go hook up a keyboard. I gotta grab
You
a
do that.
keyboard.
You do that, Trina. You do that.
Me, I'll do me. Yeah, okay.
Do it.
Do it. I gotta get a keyboard.
Do it!
over
You put the dishes away while you're over there.
Hey, if you want to come over and put away my dishes, they air dry. That's what happens.
Okay. Is that Wonder Bread?
Yes.
Delicious.
Yeah,
I love how you're like looking at my counter. Yeah, it is Wonder Bread.
Well, you're streaming it. I'm just here.
Yeah, it's Wonder Bread.
Funny.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna need-
Delicious.
Oh fuck.
Hey,
Do
Javier,
the
there was
dishes.
there was somebody
Yep.
do,
Oh.
do,
Why
do.
did it just turn off?
in John's stream that had a 2C that was repeating keys every time they turn it on. You ever
Yeah.
seen that?
Yeah. What happened there?
I don't know. I wondered if you'd ever seen that before.
Yeah. I've seen it several times.
Yeah,
I'll be right back.
one time I thought it was a short on the keyboard PCB.
Oh. No, normally what happens on my when I see it is that the keys were I just cleaned the keys and they were a little bit humid, so they repeat it all the time. And when they dry off, they will stop doing it.
Excuse me.
I don't
Bless
think
you.
this guy did anything with replacing the switches himself. It sounded like maybe somebody did it for him.
Oh,
Because when we spoke about checking continuity, he's like, I don't know how to do that.
yeah.
But I had it once, but it was just turned out that when I soldered the Alps key switches back in, I made a little bridge by mistake, and when you turn the machine on, it was fine. But as soon as you hit a key, it was like, oh, now you're holding the key down.
Is there a grid I
Hmm.
can turn on? Here we go.
Yeah, no, I haven't seen that.
Okay.
So let's go all the way over here.
I was looking for something today, and I found
That
goodie.
over here.
You
Let's see the
disappeared.
goodie.
Here, I was getting it. I forgot I had fixed this up.
Ooh, making big, Trina.
Alps.
So that is the same.
She listened so well.
Yeah.
It went away. Anyway, you can
not-
see it. It's just
Anyway,
you see Alps,
yeah.
but it was in my spares pile, and I had forgotten about it.
Damn, must be
And
nice.
the bowl of keys is in there too. Well, I wasn't going to use this. I was going to wait for the Mac Effects stuff, but I gotta make this computer work, so I'm going to just do it.
Cool. Do 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 do. Oh, sorry.
Do the hustle.
What's the password?
U10 and U34.
You just trying to guess?
7.
Try no password.
Okay.
Oh, it is noisy without the sides on. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so let's plug you into a USB 3 port and find out if these front USB ports work. Delete, maybe?
Maybe.
How do I get into the BIOS?
BIOS.
Javier, did you see the latest one out of the repair pile?
No, it looks nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's got
Love
the
it.
Alps, yeah. This
I
one
am
was
pressing
disgusting.
delete.
It was like brown.
Wow.
But this one has a CPM card in it and a ROM 4X.
Damn, where do you get those things, man?
The CPM card?
No, these machines that has all this stuff.
Well, that was just a lucky
Yeah.
find.
Lucky duck.
Yep. I've only very rarely found a 2C with something in it. I had the CPM card once, and then I had the 1 megabyte RAM card on the other one.
Wow.
34 U34 pins.
I think I'm going to put one of those RAM cards in the machine that I sell randomly, and just somebody can get lucky.
Why
That'll be
isn't it
cool.
letting me back?
They probably never even noticed it's in there.
What is U34? It's here.
Joe, what are you building?
I am building a replacement RAM card for the 5-volt Apple III.
Oh, that thing still. Where are you going to put the huge capacitor?
The resistor?
Or was it a resistor?
Yeah.
No, put a big capacitor, like an Apple One style capacitor,
Yeah, and then the case won't close.
and then hook it to the frame so that you get shocked every time you touch it.
This is my Apple. Ow!
Dude,
I mean, I live that every time I'm down here in my basement because 50 volt. 50 volts.
I still think there's got to be a reason why that's on that board, though. I think it. My opinion
think-
is that it's to provide a load for something.
I think it loads. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you had stated it loads down 12 volts, and I think you're right. Bob Justice, actually, an Apple III guru himself, in the Slack channel was making the same reference. So he's like,
Okay.
it's to load down the power supply, because when they went to the 5-volt board, that was the only thing using 12 volts was the memory board. There's nothing on the main board that uses 12 volts short of the floppy drive. So, and those old switching supplies, if you didn't load them, the voltage would float up and do weird shit. Yeah.
I wonder how it works on the 2E then, because the 2E doesn't use 12 for anything.
It probably has a built-in capacitor on it, or it's built better. Like newer supplies, like the Reactive Micro, you can run them unloaded, and they're like, all right, because they got around that.
The early 2Es, though, have the exact same power supply as the 2 Plus and 2. And those use 12 volts for the RAM.
Yeah.
Hey, Alex.
Maybe they just didn't
Weird.
care. Maybe it actually
oh,
isn't a problem.
hey,
I don't know.
hey,
Yeah.
Alex. Sorry,
What?
I'm not paying attention to the chat.
Way
Ah,
to go.
shit. I know. Well, that's what I have you here for.
I had to
Ooh,
go
look at that pan. Did you make fajitas?
vaginas.
Be very careful
Dude.
saying that. Trina
Dude.
might think.
Oh
you're
my
fake.
god!
Wait, what are you making?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Did you put some jalapenos on them?
Oh, okay. So listen, you stupid thing.
Freaking
Why wouldn't it let me?
Is that a
do
Breaking
quesadilla?
copies.
No, it's a whole quesadillas.
quesadilla. Yeah.
It's settlers.
All right, let's plug you into the back.
That's not your cheese.
So that's what
Okay, so
is
F10.
this? It's 22 ohms.
Yeah, no, I made no changes.
So-
Let's do this again.
Resistance.
Delete.
R equals IV. So I divided by V. Current.
Huh?
No. I have
What?
to figure out the current. Current is resistance times voltage. So, like 12 times 22, it can't be 264 amps. It's got to be divided.
$1 billion.
So 22 by 12.
Billion.
It's got 1.8 amps. That's still too high. So
Aha!
12
Oh,
Ha! I got what I want.
divided by 22.
here I am.
So that would be 0.5 times 12.
Come on, you
6
stupid.
watts.
There you go. Okay. So
Eureka.
F10.
This is rated at.
So I boot for my flash drive.
To the hustle.
That's some pizza.
We're all doing it now. on here.
Okay, I'm gonna boot for my flash drive.
A boot from your flash drive. Dun,
Well,
dun, 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 dun.
Boot from my flash drive, not a boot.
So seriously, though, I saw that. I see that pan in the background,
Anyway,
and I'm
Wait,
thinking of
haha.
homemade.
Boot.
Homemade
Okay.
fajitas are the best.
Memory,
Homemade
I
what?
don't know how to make them.
Mantis.
Homemade cheeseburgers.
Oh.
baby. Ooh, baby.
Okay, you need to stop talking about food because y'all making me hungry.
Me
Oh,
so hungry. Me hungry.
Oh,
long
he's so
time.
hungry.
Wow.
Hey, so
feel
Javier, Big Bad Biologist bought several years ago an Apple II Plus that came with a bunch of stuff. But the bunch of stuff was a RANA interface card with the RANA 5 1/4s
Nice.
and a Lyron card with Unitus 3.5s. You know what he paid for that computer?
60.
$25.
What?
Oh my
Yeah, that
God.
just that Lyron card's worth a couple $100 by itself. The drives all look like they were stored at the bottom of the sea, though. So
Under the sea,
yes.
under the sea.
So did the
Hello.
computer.
Here
Disney.
comes Disney to cancel me.
So did the computer when he first got it too. Because he showed those pictures.
Yeah, I know the
today.
computer was gross. It wasn't the end of the world gross, but
it
was not.
He broke him.
Joe, you should go work at Disney World.
No.
A PCB way?
You should go work at PCB Way.
No.
PCB way.
We'll work it. I don't want to. Nobody here is sponsored by PCB Way, are they?
No.
Yes, I am.
Not yet.
Oh,
Okay, then
yeah,
I can't say
Javier is.
anything about it.
Why?
It's a
Kick
secret.
him off the stream.
I will tell you private.
Don't worry, I don't get paid. I just
What do they give you? Hugs?
give it. Yeah, they give me hugs.
Seems like a bad deal.
Now for some reason I got PCB Way, but
And now
to the
for
tune
something
of,
you'll really like.
I got PCB Way stuck in my head, but to the tune of Under the Sea.
PCB
way.
way.
Right?
PCB Way.
There you go. If Dave's still around, there you go for your time tomorrow. We'll sing PCB Way. Do 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 do.
Do, do,
That's for you.
do, do, do. PCB way. PCB way. Beep 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 beep.
God, no.
Wow.
I love you guys.
And by the way, Javier,
Yo,
remember how you said you were sponsored by them? Yeah, not
You're
so
not
much.
anymore.
I didn't say I am.
Problem solved.
Yeah, right.
I was.
Ah,
No,
All right,
they're
so now
actually
it's-
pretty cool. I'm sure they're cool with that.
so now it's time to test 32 gigabytes of RAM. I nearly said megabytes. Wow, I've been hanging around you guys too long.
No, because they know the difference. So it's not because.
No, it's just I'm so used to vintage computers now with like 32 megabytes of RAM.
Yeah,
Wow.
but I do the same thing, but I say 32 megabytes of RAM when I mean 32K of RAM.
So you're worse than us.
Yeah.
Oops.
I mean,
Words are hard.
my Atom has 64 kilobytes of memory. It's awesome.
Ooh.
If it
Fancy.
was good enough to go to the moon, it was good enough for you.
Well, it shipped with 16K, so
Are you trying to shrink the board, Joe?
Just the schematic, just so it looks tighter, neater, so it prints nice.
Okay.
This is just the schematic. This has literally, as long as everything connects to the same place, it has no effect whatsoever on the final design. It's just for me being
Gotcha.
batshit crazy.
For your OCD, gotcha.
you should make them all curves.
Okay, Steve Jobs.
Who's that?
I thought it was Steve Jobs.
Steve Jokes.
Speaking of Steve, I sent him an invite via text, but never heard back from him.
What about
Steve
this,
Jobs.
Adam?
Steve
What?
Jobs died many years ago. Don't send him an invite.
No, Steve, Mac 84.
He knows what you mean. He's just being.
Oh, I
retrospective.
know.
That's right.
He's just being his usual self.
We have to ensure that we always call out domestic terrorism wherever we see it. Oh, I mean, Retro Techie being a jerk. That's right.
Oh,
Oh, Retro Tech.
should have the little ground symbols there.
Ooh.
Under the sea.
Do, 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 do. PCB way. Do, 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 do.
What?
Good thing they don't actually sponsor me.
Why would they?
ACB way.
Would,
ACB
would
way.
they? Wow. Thanks. Thanks.
Got
You
me
haven't
that
fixed anything yet on Scream.
ACB way.
You've broken quite a few things.
Well, that's what I do.
Yeah, it should be called Tina broke a thing.
Shouldn't break stuff.
Trainer break
Yeah.
things, yeah.
Tina breaks the
Just
internet.
one of those days.
Well, actually, to be fair,
No, you're
Um,
not fair.
the
Yeah.
last two PC computers or laptops that I had to work on just worked.
So you looked at things.
I just looked
Trina
at them.
looks at stuff.
I want this.
Trina
and
looks
this,
at
and
things.
this, and
Well,
this.
it's because I'm like, oh, I'll need to
You're
do.
stupid.
It'd be great to do a stream, so I'm not just working on this by my lonesome, and then
There we go.
it just works.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, well, then poop. Now what do I do?
I just thought this Atom would just work,
Is
and then it was
poo.
broken.
Oh wait.
I should have made a stream for fixing it, but now I can't see it, so it doesn't matter.
If you can't see it,
Adam is blind.
exist?
Don't you know he's blind?
Hmm.
So the question here is like,
I think if I sit back a little bit, I can see fine.
You
Dude.
got around it.
don't play with your eyes, dude. I know.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you? Thomas would like to know, what are you designing, Joe?
I am designing. You can't. Oh yeah, okay. I'm like, why am I not on the right? I'm the main screen. I'm designing a replacement memory board for the Apple III computer that will not generate 40,000 megawatts of heat and cause your house to melt. Also,
like
it
it
will
when
use
that
much
happens.
more stable and reliable static RAM that is not susceptible to static. Just don't question it. That's how the terms work.
What if I want that kind of sort of burning smell coming from my Apple III, though?
Burning.
Well, what you can do is you can accidentally leave your ultraviolet flashlight face down on your bench, emitting 32 watts of electrical energy directly into wood, and then come back 15 minutes later and wonder why everything smells hot.
Cool.
And so Thomas,
Cannot recommend.
what do you mean by? So Thomas put it in the chat, said, my daughter told me her HP laptop from 2010 is stoned. Did someone drop a rock on it, or has been somebody smoking weed near it? I'm kind of confused by what she means by stoned.
It's rock solid.
Yeah, apparently.
Javier, I want you to make me a monitor, but in
This
an
is
L
only
shape.
Going to
Let's ask,
output when that's high.
Dana, Siberia.
Dana. Yeah, Dana Siberia should do that.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Just that outputs.
That would be cool. L-shaped monitor.
No, like it's supposed to. Yeah. Yeah. And this.
Ow.
Right.
What's the? Hold on, I'm gonna make it big here, Javier.
Yeah.
Well, Joe talks to himself.
It detects. Yeah.
What?
What is the monitor for?
For a while.
Monitoring.
A replacement for a friend of mine bought a flat panel display for Apple IIc,
Okay.
and it was damaged. So he asked me to put a color monitor in there. So that's what
Oh,
I'm doing
nice.
right now.
Nice.
I need to find a damaged one of those so I can do what you're doing.
Yeah, the problem is that it's these screens themselves are not as sharp as the one that I did at the at the beginning.
You need to run a honing disk over it then.
A what?
They're not sharp. They're dull. You need to run a honing disk to sharpen them.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey, Javier, I left this Apple II in the
I can
sun.
hear the pain.
Yeah,
Oh.
I've succeeded.
Hey, you left that on that apple on the sun for too long, man.
Yeah, I over retrobrided it.
It's called a 10.
It went so far it inverted.
It's
Yeah.
a real good 10.
This is a really old one though. It's got a well, I don't think you can read that, but it's an A2S1. It's like an Apple II, not a 2 Plus.
Wow.
Oh, and Thomas, if that laptop's been on 24/7 since you bought it in 2010, I'm surprised the drive even is like it works because I know we have desktops at the hospital that are on 24/7 and they've only been on for like 2 or 3 years
It's not necessary.
and we're replacing
Like,
them all with SSDs now because all the drives are starting to
I
die.
don't know. Like you
Hey,
can
Trina,
just
we leave all our
drive.
computers on too. My favorite is
Correct.
people who have a laptop with a dock, but they
Right.
never go anywhere, so it just stays docked for years. And eventually the batteries just kind of explode.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Like they kind of balloon up,
That's not.
and then the
necessary.
laptop sort of breaks in half, and then smoke comes out. It's awesome.
Well, that's like I had a customer one time bring me their laptop. They said they couldn't get the power button to work.
Why?
So I'm like, okay,
Why
just
did
bring
this
it by. I'll
have
take a
these
look at it. What it was
That-
the battery had swollen so much,
You're all
and it was right by the power button that it like as soon as I looked at it, I'm like, okay, I need to get this upstairs now before this thing explodes.
Yeah.
It was.
I would
so
have handed it
close
right
to
back
dying.
to them.
Like here,
No, I
Here,
was
take
like,
it home.
you keep
yeah,
it.
no, and it was.
Go on an
They
airplane.
had it closed. They had it closed, which surprised me that the battery survived being closed and in a book bag.
Hey Javier, you just gave me an idea.
Oh
You
no!
know how the
Oh no!
you know how
Oh,
that
no.
screen where that screen sits on the
Oh,
Apple II?
no.
You see this
Yeah.
awfulness? What if I was
Hold on, let me
to
make it. I'll make it if
No,
it let
the
me.
data in bus
I could put the
Oh, no.
screen where the screen goes,
line
Right.
resistors.
but I could
Why?
use where these stupid holes are drilled by an idiot.
Yep.
I can make that a plug-in for the screen, so there wouldn't have to be any cords running up to the back.
Oh.
I like it.
How's that for an idea for reusing that stupidness?
Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
I could just put like a DB15
Alex.
or something there,
Yeah. Yeah. DB15, and then
And I have just
yeah,
a-
run cables inside.
just plonk the thing on top.
I
Yeah.
like it. And
My other
those
thought
are
with this was to
so
Bondo it
those
and
are
then
fine.
paint the machine black for when I get that black keyboard eventually.
We better do that. I would prefer to do that. Yeah.
That's all.
Here, we'll make Adam big screen so that he can see himself.
Look at my hair; it's awesome.
Why do those have
Yeah.
6? Only some of them.
The Blue
Apparently,
Fuzzy Show.
Miss Vance is taking after retroteching and asking if she can have it.
Have what? The screwed up Apple IIc?
I think so. Was it the
Oh.
Apple IIc you're talking about?
So where do these lines come in? They
You
come
could
in
have
like-
the puck cell.
Jeez, that sounds like a really
You have to
not
buy 'em
sketchy.
by the
Yeah.
100, or you don't have enough.
What are they, Adam?
They're CR 2032s.
Oh, okay.
You know these things.
Was that documented?
Wow.
Yeah, there we are.
Well, I
Yeah.
figured out that buying 100 of them was cheaper than buying 20, so I bought 100.
And how many have you used since you bought the 100?
About 10.
Yeah.
I'll use them eventually. I've been
Okay.
putting them in these little thingies.
They're
that go
batteries,
in
yeah.
These little thingies go inside your Mac.
Right.
There's a little Mac on the back. Hello.
Nice.
But anyway, this just sits. Oops! It just sits in the half AA holder. It just snaps right in. Click,
Oh, nice.
and then you have a
Yeah.
2032 instead of that stupid
And then-
alkaline thing.
Like, where do those go?
There.
What are you?
Where
what are
do
you-
you go?
What's the board you're working on? I'm trying to make it big. Javier?
Oh, I'm trying to.
Sorry, my StreamYard thing's stupid.
Original.
It's a
There you
Model
go.
4000
Those are
Rev
driving
B
in
2C
directly
board.
into
I'm
the
Right there.
using this thing that I bought for
And it's to protect.
for
the
watch.
Do I need that?
making.
So I can see again.
I am going through another chip, so that's
I don't
not
wanna see.
necessary. I can eliminate all of these resistors.
If I want to do this thing.
All these resistors can be deleted.
You
These
can
are
bodge
not
those on the back and then you put sockets on the top.
Yeah, I'm putting sockets on all of them, and I'm gonna put a socket, and then I'm gonna cable them directly from one to the other. I think because I'm not gonna replace these little lines one by one. I just solder a cable.
that's
I think
decent.
one of these cables.
Yeah, but you could do that on the bottom instead. Like once you put the socket in, as long as you
Okay.
know what connects to what, you can put all the bodge wires on the bottom
Oh,
from pin to pin, and then you won't even see it on the top.
oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Up there. Come on. Up.
Yeah, I was thinking about. I've never done that, so
That's the way
It's
I've done
tea
it. When I've
time
had
for me,
those traces
folks.
on there. I've ripped the
Okay,
traces too.
Joe.
take care, Joe.
I may be back
Bye,
later
Joe.
if you're still streaming. I may not. I may take a nap and then it'll be dinner time. We'll see.
Oh,
Bye,
Bye.
Retro
Take care,
Techie
bye.
Jim.
Bye.
See you, Joe.
See ya, bye.
Javier, I've ripped a trace like that before by mistake when taking out a chip. And what I did was I just ran the same pin to pin, but underneath the board, so you don't have to look at it.
I'll do that. You're right. I just gotta make a paper, paper thing to know which goes where.
Yeah, you just write down, draw yourself a little diagram of what's there, like those three
Exactly.
sockets, and
Yeah.
then just draw on the what it'll look like on the bottom,
Yeah.
so you can not mess it up. Because by that, as soon as you put the sockets in, you won't be able to see it anymore.
Yeah.
Sock it
Exactly.
to me.
That's why I haven't put anything. But yeah.
Oh,
I know.
and Francois, enjoy your pizza with friends.
François.
Oh yeah. Take care, Francois. Enjoy it.
Au revoir.
I hope you're in Paris.
The I can tell that's a later version of the board though, because it's missing all those resistors over by the keyword encoder.
Yeah.
Resistors is futile.
Yeah. It's pretty late. It's not the one with of course, the memory board, but it's pretty late. So I like it.
Yeah, but did it have MT RAM on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah. That's why I took it all.
Yeah,
I was not even gonna think about it. I just
you
now
should
I
send
know,
those.
I don't think I have enough of this.
You should mail those to Retro Techie.
Yeah, he loves them.
With the free mini.
Empty RAM.
With the free mini. Yeah, there you go.
Free mini. Somewhere around here, I have a whole tube of the correct RAMs for those, but I don't know where I
Hey,
put them.
Javier, you could try putting those RAM sticks in the Mac Mini. See if they work.
Oh, that's an amazing idea.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, 1 megahertz RAM is probably just the right speed.
that's right.
Maybe I'm stoned now thinking that idea.
Sheesh.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes, maybe Retro Techie. Maybe.
Maybe.
And that. Don't bend that. Leave that alone.
No, I just want to see if there's always like a lot of crap behind this.
Okay.
Rip it off.
That resistor pack's easy to break though.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Look, and I was right. Oh crap.
You need to throw that whole board in a
I
ultrasonic
don't
cleaner.
know what this is, but
Ugh.
get it out.
It looks like the thing that the guy fed the bird in the Shawshank
I
Redemption.
know.
Ew.
Exactly. EO is right.
Mine looks nicer.
Of course. Yeah, but yours is clean and all.
Here, I'll make everybody the same size.
Okay. Now look at this connector though. It's disgusting.
Oh,
You see that?
yeah.
It's all corroded. But from the
Yeah.
outside, it looks fine. So I'm leaving it alone.
Mm.
And I always forget to put this back in.
I did it once, and since then I keep remembering.
I do it all the time. I still can't remember. Here, I got a great keyboard for you though. Here, this is a
Nice.
keeper. It's
Oh, but that's the old version.
It's
Yep.
this hairspring.
Yeah.
I don't know, shit version. Is that a good description for it?
I got. Here, look. Hold on.
It actually works okay. It still has the rubber membrane in it. I should probably take it out.
Where am I? Yeah, here. Look.
Ah,
This is my spare parts one.
yeah, I got one that looks sort of like that.
So when somebody wanted one of these spare keys, I just desolder it and send it out.
So I had one that was
Nice.
really sticky, and I took the rubber membrane out, and I still thought it sucked. So then I took the hairsprings out, and it was great. It works fine without the hairsprings.
I think there's somebody that was trying to get new switches on these same holes. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Replace
there's
the
no point.
switches.
Just use the Alps keyboard.
Yeah.
I can't get the momentary switches for those anymore. The caps lock and the
No.
8040.
They're on Obtainium. Yep.
Yeah, I've started taking them off of partially bad keyboards just because I need them.
The top ones are the ones that you can use to replace the caps lock.
Yeah, I've done that.
Yeah.
I have left the two top ones non-functional
Hmm.
just because who cares?
Yeah, nobody uses that.
You don't need those keys.
No.
Trina, did you fix your computer yet?
It's testing. Woo. Now it's time
Okay.
for me to go. I think I'm gonna end the stream because really there's not much else I can do with it. Like it's gonna take forever to test 32 gigs of RAM.
Yeah.
And then I
Okay.
want to test the hard drives. You know,
You could test that cat that just walked by.
that was Casper. I don't know. There's food. Yeah. Okay. That's where
If
his
there's
food
no food in
dishes
the
are.
middle of the bowl, then there's no food at all.
But yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream here because, yeah, I mean, I can sit here for the rest of the day just streaming, but
Yep.
there's view hours and then there's actual good view hours.
Okay, I got to sort through this box of junk anyway.
All right, so
Alrighty.
on that note, I'm going to change the camera back. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, allow. Hey, Javier, do you want to change your camera so we can see you for a sec? Before we...
Oh yeah, hold on.
Yep.
Bloop.
I don't know what happened to Retro Techie, so
I don't know. I got my puck
I'm
cell
here.
we're okay. So thanks everybody for joining. It's been fun. Found out that we couldn't swap the DeepSeek around. Weird, but anyway.
We're weird.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Do all that good YouTubey stuff. And
Same
we'll
here in
see ya.
mine.
Yeah. Don't forget to Javier at Havemaster. What is your handle on YouTube?
Yeah, Hubmaster in YouTube.
Okay.
ARC Hubmaster.
And Adam, yours is
Adam's apples.
Adam's Apples.
okay. I thought so, but
Really
I'm like,
good.
wait.
I haven't posted anything in quite a while, but I probably will this summer.
Do it. Do it.
One bit, we're gonna end the stream. So you missed me putting it all back together. The computer's working. It's
That's
testing.
Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed Donkey Kong. Okay.
Thanks, everybody.
Have a good day.
Take
Bye-bye.
care.
Let me hit the end bar.